Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today, and I'm pretty excited to get this package because with everything going on lately, I haven't been receiving too many packages in the mail. We've been pretty good about holding off and waiting and letting some of these prices kind of stabilize. But this was something that I wanted to get. It's part of a series that's come out. And this isn't going to be a surprise. There's already been a lot of unboxings of this round. It's pretty cool. And why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let me see if I can get this thing open. Hopefully it'll open up pretty easily. Yeah, opened up real easy. Packing slip in there. Most of you will recognize this packaging from a particular vendor that likes to glue it in there, which we all appreciate, I'm sure. And I'm going to turn my light down a little bit. Alright. So this is from Apmex. Apmex does a pretty good job of packaging up their goods. And this is no exception. So you can hear the around rattling in the capsule. Usually with shipping we don't like to hear that. So we don't want people to know what's inside there. I'll get this open here. I don't know what happened to my knife. I haven't been using it. It shouldn't be dull. Let me cut it open with the scissors. Yeah, because those are so much sharper, right? I don't think so. Alright. Put this knife away so nobody gets hurt. Let's dig in here and see what we have. And here we go. Got that classic Apmex packaging. And we have the Royal Fortune from the Black Flag series. Pretty cool, huh? I bought this because I picked up the first one in the series, which is called the Queen Anne's Revenge. And that's actually done very well in the secondary market. That sells for some pretty good money on eBay. And the other one, I bought 3 of them as well. So I figured I'd pick up 3 of these and maybe one of these days sell a series or 2. And so very, very nicely done. Sorry about that light there. Let me see if I can hold it here for you. And zoom in a little bit. Usually how it works out the best. Pretty cool. Love the ships. Not a big fan of skulls, but of course it goes very well with a pirate scenario. You can see it says Black Flag, Black Bart, 1 ounce, 4 9s, AG, the Royal Fortune. Pretty nice. So every place it looks black is a shiny mirror type finish. And pretty nice. Let's look at the other side. As we know, is going to be the Queen. Queen Elizabeth. Tuvalu is the country. $1. I called it a round earlier, but it's actually a coin. It's got a $1 denomination on it. So it is a coin. You can see the 2020 on there. The light's really bouncing off that stuff. But let's look at this side. This is the cool side. I tried to find my Queen's Anne Revenge to show you, but I got those packed away. And it would have taken a while to dig them out and find them. So most of you know what those look like. I don't really have to, dig that out to show you. You can certainly do a search, but it was a pirate theme and pretty cool one. Pretty nice coin as well. And so, yeah, this is the second coin of the series. So I don't know. I know some people have questioned whether or not to leave them in the original Apmex packaging. And it's an Apmex exclusive, so it probably wouldn't be a terrible idea to leave them in there. But I'm going to take them out. It takes more to store them. It's just more packaging material, so I'm going to take mine out of there. And again, beautiful, beautiful design. Very nicely done. Let's put that down there. Let's open up this last one here. See what we have. Oh, what do you know? The Royal Fortune. All right. Very nice, huh? So I've got 3 of them. Still zoomed in down here. Still getting a terrible light flash on there. Upgraded my software recently, and you can tell that it's causing this stuff to flash. Don't like that at all. And see if I can turn down the light a little bit more. Can we get it down a little bit more? There we go. That's a little bit better. Keep it a little dark momentarily so we can see these things. So yeah, what do you think, huh? Why don't you comment below? Let me know if you're collecting this series, what you plan to do with them, or are you flipping them? I know a couple of the other YouTubers picked up rolls of them, a roll or more, and that's clearly a plan to probably flip them, or maybe sell them as part of auctions, things like that. I'm not really a flipper or an auctioneer. I am a stacker, and I do not like to sell my stuff once I get it. Now, these had a pretty good premium, you know. On the one day I got the email first thing in the morning, and by the time I ordered a little bit later that day, they were already up about another $3.50 a coin. So I decided, well, I better get these things ordered before they get up any higher. And now they're sold out. I believe they sold out in less than a week. There's only 15,000 of them. They also make a 5-ouncer, which I believe they had 500 of those. I believe those are sold out as well. And they made 100 gold coins, 1-ounce gold coins, and those sold out really quickly. Not really sure why. Those coins were about $700 over spot, the gold ones were. I just don't know if you can ever get your money back out of them. But if you like the coin and you think that someday it has a chance and you've got the funds to buy it, that's what makes collecting coins and bullion so special, is that everybody's different. Everybody has their own likes and wants and needs, and if you want it, go get it. That's how we play. So what do you think, huh? Pretty cool. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.